Earnin's lightning speed transfer usually costs around $1.99 to $3.99 depending on how fast you want the cash, while standard transfers often take 1 to 3 business days with no fee. That means you're basically paying for speed, not extra borrowing power or extra approval. By the end of this, you'll know what lightning speed actually charges, when it makes sense to use it, and when it's just wasting money for a transfer you didn't need to rush. Lightning speed is Earnin's fast payout option. Instead of waiting for your bank transfer to clear, the money shows up in minutes. That convenience is where the fee comes in. The key thing to understand is what you're paying for. You're not paying interest like a loan. You're paying a flat fee, so Earnin pushes your cash through faster than the free option. Now here's where most people run into problems. They turn on lightning speed even when they don't actually need the money immediately. That small fee adds up if you're using it every paycheck or multiple times a month. So the first thing to do is check your urgency. If you need gas, rent, or a bill paid today, lightning speed can make sense. If it's just spending money or something that can wait a day or two, standard transfer is the better choice. Second thing is checking your bank timing. Some banks already deposit Earnin transfers fairly quickly on their own. If your standard transfers are already arriving fast, lightning speed becomes unnecessary most of the time. Third thing is watching repeated usage. If you're relying on instant transfers regularly, that's usually a sign your cash flow is tight, not that the app is the problem. In that case, the fee becomes a habit expense instead of an emergency tool. To sum it up, lightning speed costs a small fee per transfer. It's only worth it when you truly need same-day cash, and using it too often turns convenience into extra spending. Next step is simple. Open your last Earnin transfers and see how often you chose lightning speed instead of the free option. That tells you if it's helping you or quietly costing you more than you thought. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on money apps and payment issues without the confusion.